Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed YouTube video on Wix. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure to head over to this Add Elements option on your Wix website editor. Then from in there, head over to Embed Code, click on Single Video Players, then click on the YouTube option right here. So from in there, after you've clicked that, you can also drag this wherever you want to put it. So I will drag this right around here. So let's just drag this. And then once you have positioned it, just click on the change video option right here. And then once you have done that, click on YouTube and here, and then just remove first the link that's in here. After that, just add in the video URL that you want to put on your YouTube embed. So just put in the URL, and then in here you can also use this playback option, which is autoplay, and play in a loop right here from in there. You can also add in a video description in here. And once you're done with everything, just close it up and you should be able to see the YouTube video that you have added and embedded on your Wix website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to embed YouTube video on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!